Hey y'all, JR here. This is my VR to Patriot in the Dark's hashtag blind challenge. Today I'm going to show you how to field strip and disassemble an American Pit Bull Terrier. First thing we're going to do is grab our blindfold. Hopefully my dog doesn't run away on me or I'll really look silly. Alright, so we got our blindfold on. First thing we're going to do is orientation. His hind end is near my right hand, his head is near my left. And the first thing you're going to want to do to properly maintain and do a safety check is you're going to want to locate the head, go all the way out to the very end of it. Right here, there's a smushy little wet thing. That's his nose. Below his nose, you're going to find two big soft floppy lips. You're going to take your right hand on the top set of lips, left hand on the bottom set of lips. You're going to open his mouth, and you can see he does have a mouthful of teeth, so he's technically always dangerous. We're going to go back to the nose on the top of his head. We're going to work our way backwards down his snout, and you're going to find two eyeballs. Continue past the eyeballs about 4 inches on the opposite sides of his head. He has 2 ears, both nice and floppy, not bobbed. And you're going to continue down his neck, and you'll find a collar. Below the collar, there is a bandana. And then if we continue down his back past his bandana, you'll feel some muscles, a little bit of rib cage and spine. You're going to get all the way to the hind end of the dog, and you're going to locate this, a tail. It's about a 12-inch long, inch around, hard cartilage, furry, wags it when he's happy. Okay, now we're going to take our left hand, we're going to go back to the front end of the dog where the nose and the mouth are located. You're going to go below his nose, and there's his chin. You're going to follow his chin down. You'll feel the collar, the bandana again. And there he's got a big muscular chest. And from his chest it splits off into 2 legs. And if you follow the legs down, you lift the leg up, you can see he's got a foot at the bottom of each leg. Okay, so now you're going to take your left hand, you're going to place it on his chest behind his front legs. Look, he's so comfortable he's laying down. Stand up, buddy. So you're going to place the left hand on his chest behind his front legs. And you're going to rub down his chest. You're going to continue to about his belly, and you're going to... See what? You're supposed to be a gun. Well, looks like this was another fail, guys. I really appreciate everybody stopping by. When you're ready, please adopt a pet. Support your local animal shelters, and I'll see y'all on the next one.